Hey guys, Tyler with Advanced Seamless Rain Gutter Solutions. Just wanted to get with you guys and introduce some of our profiles that we offer here. We have a standard cased out gutter. This one here is going to be your most commonly used. We also offer a seamless box and half round. Most of these can be paired with different downspouts, rain chains, things along those lines. If you take a peek here, we have one of our smooth application downspouts on this, and then we also have a couple of decorative rain chains if y'all are interested. With these products as well, we definitely offer leaf protection solutions for you. If you'd like, we can take a peek at some of those. Have a few different options on the leaf protections. Each one of these are applicable to most all gutter systems. We can retrofit them into your existing system or install a new system with these added on. Feel free to give us a call for your free inspection. We also offer free estimates, so if you guys would like to, click the link below or get with us on our website at asrgs.com.